Central Bank Governor Yang Jinglong has called on small and medium enterprises to make preparations as Taiwan shifts toward a tighter monetary policy.
Amid the Russo-Ukrainian war, Taiwan has been seeing an outflow of foreign capital, which has caused the Taiwan dollar to depreciate.
The government says that if the currency continues on its downward trend, it could push up the consumer's price index by up to 0.17 percentage points.
分析师担心说，台币会不会变成沦为亚洲最弱的一个币值啊？会不会？
不会。
Amid the Russia-Ukraine war, Taiwan is seeing an outflow of foreign funds, causing the new Taiwan dollar to sink against the greenback. On January 17th, the exchange rate stood at just over 27 to the U.S. unit, and over the past 7 trading sessions, the currency has continued to depreciate to end up at 29.145 on April 12th, marking the lowest value in 1.5 years. Central Bank Governor Yang Jinglong says the devaluation of the new Taiwan dollar could result in higher inflation.
我们的模型呢，估计呢，如果说我们从28块。
Our models project that if the new Taiwan dollar depreciates from 28 to 29 against the greenback, the consumer price index will be pushed up by 0.1 to 0.17 percentage points. It'd be a relatively modest rise.
In a report put forward to the Legislative Yuan, the central bank announced a turn toward a tighter monetary policy while advising small and medium enterprises to be ready for the shift. Observers have been left wondering whether Taiwan will follow the Fed in raising interest rates.
你认为台湾有没有必要？
Do you think Taiwan has to follow suit and raise interest rates by the same amount too?
没有必要。
Not necessarily.
The central bank said Taiwan would not necessarily have to raise interest rates in line with the Fed. On Wednesday, Taiwan Statistics Agency revised its annual GDP growth forecast down from 4.42% to 4.02%. The head of the agency, Zhu Zeming, says the misery index is expected to go up.
去年我们的经济成长率是6.2%。
Last year, our economic growth rate was 6.28%. You see that this year, the projected economic growth rate will be 4%. Is that so?
我们大概是4.02%。
About 4.02%.
那也就是今年的痛苦指数在你的评估上面。
According to your assessments, will this year's misery index be above 6%?
对。
Yes, it will.
The Statistics Agency forecasts unemployment to be lower than last year at around 3.6%. Overall, inflation is set to be at around 2.48%, a rate far higher than last year's. With international prices creeping up and shifts in monetary policy, balancing the books in 2022 could prove to be harder than in previous years.